Hello, thank you for joining us. In this video, we are unboxing the new Apple MacBook Pro 16 with the new Apple M5 Max chip. As a reminder, you can register for free on the Tech Insights platform to follow along with this teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from the Tech Insights experts and market analysts. Apple reduced the MacBook Pro 16's shipping weight by at least 277 grams and a supporting material cost of $13 this year by not supplying a charging adapter in the box. The new MacBook Pro has Apple's MagSafe 3 charging port, a total of 3 Thunderbolt ports, an SDXC port, and a single HDMI port. The Apple MacBook Pro with the M5 Max is a mobile workstation laptop designed for high-end creatives and technical professionals needing high compute power on the go. Apple claims the new MacBook Pro can provide up to 22 hours of video streaming and up to 16 hours of wireless web access.